websites remembering your preferences, activity, or other information in Google Chrome? If you'd rather have more control over what websites can access, there's a setting you can change in just a few clicks. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window and select Settings. From the menu on the left, click Privacy and Security. Then choose Site Settings to view all the permissions and data options that websites can use. Now scroll down until you find Embedded Content and click on it. Here you'll see an option that allows websites to ask to use information they've previously saved about you. This can include certain preferences, settings, and other stored data that help websites personalize your experience. If you'd rather prevent websites from making these requests, select Sites are blocked from asking to use information they've saved about you. After enabling this option, websites will no longer be able to ask for access to that saved information. This can give you a little more privacy and control while browsing. Just keep in mind that some websites may become slightly less convenient to use. You might need to re-enter preferences, sign in again, or adjust certain settings when visiting those sites. A quick setting change that can help improve your privacy while using Google Chrome.